Okay, this is theorem 41. Three, the name of the chapter is theorems related to tangent of a circle. Now theorem 41, if two tangents are drawn to a circle from a point outside it, then the line segment joining the points of contact and the exterior point are equal and they subtended equal angles at the center. So therefore we have to draw like in this manner. This is a point and this is a point. If we join this, so therefore it should be here, and this is the center, the diagram should be in like this. So given what is given, PB, a point outside the circle with center O. From the point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn whose points of contact are A and B respectively. So from point P, so if you want to draw this in this manner, you can draw also like this is the circle and here is the point. I think the second process is most easy and simpler procedure. I think this is better. So this is the center, you have to join. This is P. From any point P outside of the circle, this is center O and this is A and B. So this is given, P be a point outside the circle with center O. From the point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn whose points of contact are A and B respectively. OA, OB, OP are joined. This PA and PB subtended angle POA and angle POB at the center respectively. To prove that PA equal to PB, we have to prove that this equal to this and POA this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. So first of all, from any point outside of the circle, you can draw only two tangents. From any point outside of the circle, you can draw only two tangents. Now we have to prove these two sides are equal and these two angles are equal. Now we know through the theorem 40, if this is the tangent and radius is joined on the point which intersect the tangent, this is 90 degree, so this is also 90 degree, so these two are 90 degree, this is common, this side is common and this is radius, so these two triangles are congruent. Here PA and PB are tangents, PA and PB are tangents. OA and OB are the radius through the points of contact. OA perpendicular PA and OB perpendicular to PB. In the right angle triangles, angle POA and POB, angle OAP equal to OBP. Previously I said that these are PA and PB are tangents. O is perpendicular from O, center O. This is perpendicular from B and this is perpendicular from A. So therefore this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So first we can say angle PAO equal to angle PBO equal to 90 degree. Why? Because OA perpendicular to PA and OB perpendicular to BP. So second is PO common, and third is OA equal to OB, radius, same radius. So therefore we can say that triangle PAO congruent to triangle PBO. SAS criterion is SAS. So therefore if these two triangles are congruent to each other, we can say PA equal to PB, and we can also say that angle POA equal to angle POB. So therefore from this theorem we can also say that from any outside point we can draw only two tangents, and these two tangents, length of these two tangents is always equal. We can prove that through this theorem 41. This is application number 9. I drew a circle with center O of which length of radius is 6 cm. A point P is 10 cm away from the center O of a circle. A tangent PT is drawn. Let us write by calculating the length of the tangent PT. So therefore this diagram should be like this. The diagram should be like this one. Center. From the question we know that this is 6 cm given and this is 10 cm given. Now we know through the theorem 40, if this is a tangent, suppose this is a tangent of PX. If PX is a tangent, it intersects or it touches any point on the perimeter of the circle, and if you draw a straight line from the center of the circle, or you join the radius to touches the same point, therefore it should be perpendicular. So therefore OT perpendicular to PX. So therefore we can say that angle OTP 90 degree. If OTP 90 degree, by Pythagoras theorem we can say that OP is the hypotenuse. So OP square equal to OT square plus PT square. Now we know OP square is equal to 10 cm. So 10 square equal to OT square, we know 6 cm. So therefore 6 whole square plus PT, we have to find the PT. So 10 square means 100 minus 6 square means 36 equal to PT square. So PT square equal to 64. So PT equal to root over 64. 100 minus 36 equal to 64. Root 64 means 8 cm. So therefore PT equal to 8 cm. This is application number 10. I drew a circle with center O. A point P is 26 cm away from the center of the circle, and the length of the tangent drawn from the point P to the circle 10 cm. Let us write by calculating the length of the radius of the circle. Therefore same as the previous one, we know from here OT is perpendicular to PT. OT is perpendicular to PT. This is application number 10. OT perpendicular to PT. So therefore we can say that angle OTP equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that OT square plus OP square equal TP square equal to OP square. We know the value of, we don't know the value of OT square. We have to find that OT square plus PT square. PT square is here 10. So 10 square equal to 26 square. So OT square equal to 26 square means 676, 10 square means 100, equal to 576. So therefore OT equal to root 576 equal to 24 centimeter. So therefore OT equal to 24 centimeter.